Good morning, I'm meteorologist Chita Craft. Well, continuing to track this upper area of low pressure in the Gulf. So the National Hurricane Center has this as Invest 95L. And around an area of low pressure, you get counterclockwise spin. What we are expecting out of this, it's still fairly disorganized at this point. So even if this does develop into a tropical depression, it'll probably be a fairly weak one. And most models, pretty much all models, are indicating that this takes a westerly track. That does put, though, the bulk of that moisture to the east. Remember, the east side is the dirty side, the wet side, and that's why we're going to see our rain chances really ramp up for tomorrow and Friday. We do have a 40% chance of development over the next 2 days, so we'll continue to monitor this extremely closely through about Friday. And then after it makes landfall, most of that moisture is going to really become disorganized and pretty weak at that. Now, the next area that we're watching, potential tropical cyclone 2, this is still expected to just take a due west path, not anticipating this to impact the Gulf or the U.S. This is expected to become Bonnie at any point today or maybe potentially for tomorrow. So we will be waiting for the updates of that. Now back to Invest 95L. So as we get into tomorrow, Thursday, that's when we're going to see the bulk of the moisture from this upper area of low pressure at this point to move right along the shoreline. And most of this will start along the coastline, but then it's going to continue to drift northward. So everyone will see the chance for the potential of some heavy downpours Thursday and Friday. At this point, it's not an area-wide flood event, but we will be looking and tracking the chance maybe for an isolated high water spot because we are so dry right now. This is actually really beneficial rain. I think that on Thursday and Friday combined, we'll be looking at about 1 to 3 inches of rain, isolated amounts slightly higher than that. Getting into the upcoming weekend, most of the rain starts to break apart, but a few showers will be possible for Saturday and Sunday. If you haven't seen the entire list of storm names this year, again, Bonnie, Colin, Danielle, and so on, we are going to continue to monitor the latest with the tropics very closely. More updates to come.